that a 10 or a 12? Wow, 10 inch. Okay. Awesome. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Wow. Hello, what's your name and what all's in here?
Debbie, I've got 2 FI custom Q-Kick subs
Okay.
on 2 8Ks.
Okay. All right.
Custom built door pods.
Okay. Nice. Do you know what your box is tuned to?
I believe it's 45.
45? Okay. Did you ever get it metered?
I go 155.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really good.
And a double sunroof. Though.
And a sunroof. Double sunroof. That's impressive. Most people don't get. Wow, that's really good. All right.
Yeah, it tries.
Yeah. All right. What are you wired to in your amps?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. All good. All right.
It's my first demo.
Okay. All right. Debbie, Jacob, thank you. Can I see the back one more time?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.